Hey everyone, still here at SEMA. This is day 3, and we found a company that actually just something caught our eye. This is Cruiser Accessories. This is Liam, and
Hello.
They had this crazy option that we just couldn't stop. We had to stop to see. This is called the Rock Tamer Traction Crate. Liam, tell us about this, because it caught Tyler and I's eye, and it looks like it's multifunction. And I think it looks pretty cool. So can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, of course. So this is our brand new traction crate that's going to ship early 2026. Just off the start, this is the crate it comes in. We have 2 different measuring on each side for inches or centimeters for if you're catching fish, you want to measure how big your fish is or whatever. We have bottle openers on each side. It even has the option to put a padlock if you want to lock up whatever's in your crate. Then going into it, open it up. That's the inside. It does come with 2 of these red inserts that just slide right in like this.
So you've got some division for different things you want to put in then, basically.
Yes, and there's 3 slots, so whatever you want to do.
Sure.
And then the back is a shovel. You can shovel out if you're stuck, or you could also just take them out and they set nicely in here if you want to use it when you're camping, eat your food, make your food, sit down, use it as a seat because you don't want to sit on this. And then to deattach them, super easy in here. You pull these 3 metal pins here, which deattaches them, and then they turn into 2 traction boards here. If you flip the gray one over, you can even have a level for your jack stand.
That's nice because you guys have labeled it here, jack base.
Yes,
which
so
makes it really good. But then flip it over to have a traction board as well.
So multi-purpose, multifunctional.
And they have bottle openers, guys.
Yeah.
That was another thing on the side. You've got like 4 bottle openers on this thing. So not only is it storage, it's practical for having traction boards. It's practical for having a seat or a little table. They've got one over here that they've got set on the side that can, definitely looks like it'd be a nice seat for you if you're out camping or just out wheeling for the day. You need somewhere to sit after wheeling for a little bit, hang out with the rest of the friends.
Definitely.
It is it's super cool.
It also does have all of these, which you could attach to a molly panel if you wanted to as well.
So you could just, instead of using it as a crate, use it as just on the outside of a vehicle. Okay. That is really cool. Guys, this is super multifunctional. You need to check out Cruiser Accessories
and Rock
for this Rock Tamer box. This is super cool, guys.
Brand new traction crate.
Did it just come out this year?
Yeah, we're just getting a container in, so it should be early January, February of 2026.
Okay, and what's the price of these going to be?
They're going to retail for $349.
$349, and you get 2.
Yeah, it comes.
The gray and the white.
It comes as the crate with. You get the crate with 2 of the red inserts.
2 of the red inserts? Okay.
Yes, 2 of the red inserts. It'll come just like that. That will be the packaging over there. So that's how it'll come, just like that.
Just like that.
Yep.
Okay. So $349, guys, and it's multi-use. You don't have to buy extra traction boards. You've got a storage solution. You've got a shovel. You've got a table. You've got a seat. I mean,
yeah, the list just goes on.
I mean, it's really cool how many functions this crate would have. So,
and we are going to be releasing products in the future extra for it, a cooler bag, different things. They'll fit our recovery rope as well if you wanted to put like our recovery rope if you have that product, or future products we're creating as well. So
that is awesome. Guys, check out Cruiser Accessories and the Rock Tamer Traction Crate. Check it out.